I just typed one sentence into Roblox's brand new AI build tool, and 11 minutes later I had a playable, published game. No code. No 3D modeling. And honestly, part of me is thrilled, and part of me thinks this is about to flood Roblox with the laziest content you've ever seen. Stick around, because the difference between those two outcomes is one specific thing most people will get wrong. So here's the news: Roblox just unveiled an AI-powered build tool that turns plain text prompts into published games. You describe what you want an obby course through a floating volcano island with checkpoints, and it generates the environment, the mechanics, and pushes it live on the platform. This isn't a third-party plugin. It's Roblox building generative AI directly into the pipeline that already serves over 70 million daily users. Here's what it actually does well. Environment generation is genuinely impressive. Terrain, lighting, and props show up coherent and themed, not a random asset dump. Basic game loops like obstacle courses, collection mechanics, and simple objectives work out of the box. My first prompt to playable took under 15 minutes, and iterating with follow-up prompts, make the lava rise faster, add a double jump, mostly worked. Now, where it disappointed me, anything requiring custom logic. Ask for an inventory system with trading, or enemy AI with actual behavior, and you get either a shallow approximation or nothing. Compared to building in Roblox Studio manually, you're trading weeks of learning Lua for hours of prompting, but you hit a ceiling fast. Think of it as a genuinely good first draft machine, not a developer replacement. So who is this for? If you're a hobbyist, a teacher, a parent building with kids, or a marketer who needs a branded experience fast, this is legitimately great. You'll ship something playable today. If you're an aspiring game designer, use it for prototyping. Test 5 game ideas in an afternoon instead of one in a month. Who it's not for: serious developers expecting production quality systems, and anyone hoping to prompt their way to the next viral hit. Distinctive games still need human design taste and custom scripting. The AI gets you to exists. It does not get you to good. Let's run the actual math, because this is where it gets interesting. Roblox paid creators over $900 million last year. Say a competent hobbyist experience previously took roughly 100 hours to build: learning studio, scripting, debugging. If this tool cuts that to 10 hours for the base version, that's a 90% reduction in the barrier to entry. Sounds amazing until you realize everyone gets that same 90% reduction. If the number of published games grows 10x while player attention stays flat, the average game earns dramatically less. The winners won't be the people who prompt and publish. They'll be the people who prompt, then spend the 90 hours they saved on polish, custom mechanics, and community, the stuff AI can't generate. Here's your one actionable takeaway: open Roblox today, write down the game idea you've been sitting on for years, and prompt a rough version of it this week. Not to publish, to find out in 1 hour whether your idea is actually fun. That feedback loop used to cost months. Now it costs an evening. That's the real story here, not the headline. Subscribe for daily AI intel. I test this stuff so you don't waste your time. And drop a comment: what tool do you want me to cover next?